Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be kind of speed running my makeup, kind of doing a get ready with me for the makeup I do for stream every day. Just normal makeup that I do for stream. I'm not going to be talking much about the makeup that I'm doing. I'm going to be talking about what I'm going to be doing for future videos. There are two really big new things coming that I'm really excited about. You guys will really enjoy them too. Based on your guys' feedback in the YouTube comments and the Instagram comments, Instagram messages, what you guys have been telling me in Twitch chat, what you guys have been telling me on Twitter, I have taken your feedback and I'm materializing it. I am giving the people what they want. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll let you guys know everything that I'm going to be doing in the upcoming foreseeable future. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Good luck, have fun. Okay, so I'm just going to run through my normal makeup that I do every day for stream and talk to you guys a little bit about what's going on, what the next few videos that I upload are going to be like. I'll put all of the products that I'm using. I'll like put a little pop-up or something, and I'll link them in the description so you guys know what I'm using. But I'm just going to go through and do my normal routine that I do for stream every day. I'm getting ready for stream now. But ooh, I haven't had long nails in a long time. This is hard to do. How do people function? Primed. This is new. I've been putting on setting spray after I prime my face and before I put on my makeup. I found it like holds my makeup a lot longer. Let me put my hair up and start on my foundation. The next video I upload is going to be the first video in a series that I'm going to be doing. It's kind of like a makeup 101 type thing. A lot of you guys in the comments have been asking how to do basic makeup, how to do specific things, and basically what it's going to be is I'm going to start from the bottom, like with primer, maybe talk a little bit about like skincare routines, and just kind of build up like each video. The first video will be just skin, primer, foundation, and then maybe the next one will be like we'll move on to like contour, bronzers, and stuff like this. You know, and it'll be just like a short little series that we'll do to help beginners figure out what they're doing, to get their grounds, to get their feet. So you can do more of the intermediate tutorials that I do if you wanted to follow them. Put my face on. I have no idea how am I going to stream with these? How am I going to play games with these? I can't hit my mouse buttons with these. I can't hit my keyboard. What am I going to do? I'm going to pop all of my nails and my keys off of my keyboard trying to play today. Oof. Oh, we're in a new corner too. Also, I'm going to make another like area to film makeup tutorials in, to film makeup videos in, because I feel like this corner is a little bit too streamer, too gamer for tutorials. Let me know if you guys think the same. But I feel like something with more of like a neutral backdrop might be good for doing makeup and stuff. Okay, so there are two things that I wanted to talk to you guys about with like uploading videos and content on this specific YouTube channel. I think for now I'm going to keep my gaming and my Twitch content separate from YouTube. So moving forward with YouTube, I think what we're gonna do, I'll start the makeup 101 series, and I'm going to start doing gym videos, gym vlogs. God, like 90% of the messages that I get on Instagram are people asking me to talk about and do videos on gym, how I lost weight, how to live your life. I don't know, dude. In case you don't know, in case you're new, a lot of people that follow me on Instagram follow me because I lost a large amount of weight a few years ago. I went from weighing about 260 pounds to 160 in a little less than a year through diet and exercise. Counting calories is everything, but I want to talk about this more in future videos. So I'll start doing a little bit more like lifestyle kind of vlogs, kind of uploads. I'll do things, I'll film my workouts in the gym, explain what I'm doing, explain like I don't know, give some tips maybe for beginners. So I think I've gained like 30 pounds back from all of the weight that I've lost. So I'm classic WoW, classic World of Warcraft has killed my body. So this kind of gives me a fresh start to start over and go on this journey with you guys. So I feel like that's kind of exciting. It'll help motivate me, and hopefully it can help motivate you guys too. if you want to. I always wanted to do these, to do gym vlogs, to do workout videos and stuff. I'm really self-conscious, especially now that I've gained more weight. I'm kind of afraid, but I guess this can serve as a kind of progress video too, like a progress marker, to see how much progress, like in a year, look back and be like, yo, you know, we've come pretty far. Oh, but meal prep videos are something that I would really like to do too. I get asked so much about my diet and about the foods that I eat, how I add variety to boring diet gym foods. So I'll talk about that too. This pencil, I talk about this all the time. Every single chance I get, I'll tell you guys about this. This is the best brow pencil ever. Please try it. You'll never go back to anything else. I'm gonna wear my hair back today. I think the wig I'm gonna wear is like braided, so I'm gonna be really careful with my contour. It's just gotta be on point. I got a fucking zit the size of fucking Mercury on my cheek. I cry. I'm gonna put my wig on before I go any further. How do you do anything with nails? How do people function? There's still wig tape on this. Oof. I love this wig. Khaleesi vibes, dude. I am Lichlings. First of her name, Queen of Plebs, the Wigged Warrior, the Weave Cleaver, the Hot Mic Princess. But I know you guys are gonna ask about this wig. I get a lot of questions about it. I have to tape it down. But I get a lot of questions about this wig. I will link it in the description. It is one of my favorites. The hairline is really good. I didn't do hardly anything to the hairline, and it looks really good. It's amazing. So yeah, I'll link that in the description for you guys. I'm using a different eyeliner. I've never been a fan of like felt tip pencil stick, not pencil, but these types of eyeliner. Wi-Fi is asleep. I was setting on it this whole time. Oh my god, it's so pins and needles. Ow. Let me just speed run my mascara really quick. Speed run my mascara, eyelashes, I'll do highlight, and then we will be good. I am already 7 minutes late to stream. Oops. Just reusing my old lashes from yesterday that were laying on my desk already. Easy. I understand this probably isn't the best angle to do makeup at. I think for future videos, I'm going to put the camera more like in line with my eyes and my face and closer up so you guys can actually see what I'm doing and like less less focus on the background and stuff like this, more focus on actual makeup, you know what I mean? We'll work on that for next time. How do you put on lashes with these claws, dude? You women with long nails are the most powerful beings on the planet, dude. That's insane. How do you do this? Highlighter. I want to try this liquid highlighter today. I used to use this all the time, and I used to love it. My normal highlighter with the bronzer that I've been using is starting to make me look kind of gray, and that is something I really do not want. This is gonna be way too much, I already know it. I'm looking like a glazed donut. I wonder where my lip gloss is. This one's empty. Hello? Oh, I'm out of setting spray. Okay, friends, this is how I get ready for stream every day. It's not really much of a tutorial. I was just kind of talking through a lot of it, kind of like sped through a lot of it. TLDR of the whole video. I am starting 2 new things on this channel. One is kind of a makeup 101, basic makeup tips for beginners. It'll start out like the first video will be skin, primers, talk about a little about skincare, foundation, concealer. We'll do like base layer first. The second video will be like contour, bronzers, highlight, stuff like this. The third video will move on to eyes, do a video about lips, a video about lashes, eyeliner, and then maybe at the end I'll do a video about wigs. I'll like go through my wig collection because that's something I get asked about so much. But that's the first thing. The second thing is I'm going to be doing more lifestyle kind of gym and meal prep vlogs. Because a lot of you, like, so many people have asked about this from my weight loss journey and my gym journey and stuff like this, and I've gained some weight back, so I'm kind of getting a fresh start with you guys to kind of go through all of this together. We will struggle together in the gym. I'm going to get over my fears of you guys seeing how much weight I've gained and just kind of like record myself working out. Be good motivation for me. But yeah, I'll teach you guys about like what you should eat. I'll give you guys some different recipes. Kind of give you guys a vague idea about like macros and what you should be hitting and what you should be looking out for, because it does vary person by person. I'm not like a dietitian or or anything, so I'll just give what advice I can give you, like what worked for me. But yeah, those are the 2 things coming up in future videos. These should start very, very soon, so be on the lookout for that. Also, guys, if you are interested in gaming content or in my Twitch streams and you have not followed, please, I'll be like eternally grateful if you guys would go drop a follow, go check out the channel. I mainly play World of Warcraft Classic, but I am branching out into other games. I've been playing a lot of League of Legends, trying to get into Path of Exile, things like that. So I'll be doing variety games as well, so if you guys want to hang out with us. I stream every day except Wednesday, 8 a.m. Eastern to 4 p.m. Eastern. Yeah, twitch.tv/Lichlings. If you guys want to follow my social medias, Twitter and Instagram are both Lichlings, Lichlings, that's me. I'm most active on Twitter compared to anywhere else. I tweet constantly. If you guys are looking for updates, Twitter is where you should go. Instagram, I post a lot when I'm going live. I post my makeup looks. I post pictures of my cat, pictures when I hike. All of these things you'll find over on Instagram. And guys, if you are enjoying these videos, I would love it. It means so much to me if you guys would subscribe, turn on the notifications, leave a comment, leave a like. I've already told you guys now, so I can't back down and not do the gym vlogs. So yeah, good luck. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Peace out, friends. Love you guys. Bye. Thank you guys for everything. Peace.